I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't
It's not in the sense of it's not in the anybody.
That's why I spend my life.
Hi, hotties, kettles, tea stars. You're here for hot tea. All commentary is alleged, and in my opinion, this is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, stop the press, because let me just go ahead and say Mel is being exposed for being a great entrepreneur. Look, Mel doing big things behind the scenes, and I have to let the world know. And how I'm gonna let her fans and her haters know if I don't give y'all a real catchy title? Right? So look, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest. It was merely clickbait, all right? It ain't shit I can expose Melody for that she ain't already tell us her damn self. However, Mel be moving under the radar. And if you ain't paying attention, there's a lot of stuff you just won't catch. And that's why you got me. Mel's birthday is coming up tomorrow. And what better way to celebrate than support our good sis, Melly Mel? But with that being said, we have exciting news to talk about. And I haven't heard anybody on YouTube talking about it. And I've been sitting on this because her birthday coming up. And I really want us to come together and really support her tomorrow and support her this weekend, because we know her haters be trying to pop out. We all know Mel takes a break at the reunion, but she normally is back by now. She hasn't been back since. And hey, she deserves to take a little breaky break. But with that being said, while she taking her break, we're going to be over here celebrating, because it's a lot she got going on behind the scenes. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload. Girl, when I tell you I was on Instagram and I seen 7th Avenue Beauty post, I was like, okay, let me see what's going on. Premier Skin. Premier Skin done got models. Y'all get in the comments and let me know if you was scrolling on the Instagram and you guys saw 7th Avenue post a video, and y'all, I was like, okay, what we got going on, sister? I don't know why I be so excited, but Mel just be doing stuff like, what you doing, sis? But no, it looks really good. So the two models are promoting her 4 new products that she just launched for fall or for the holidays. I'm going to play everything in this video, and if y'all haven't liked the video already, don't be a hating ass hoe, okay? Like the video. And also comment so we can go ahead and push this video out there and get as much engagement as possible. So they were promoting apple cinnamon and pumpkin spice lip scrub and face scrub. And we've seen people promote 7th Avenue products before, but those were like influencers. So yes, y'all, something big indeed is coming up. Now, you guys know I've been having problems with getting my text notifications, but y'all been keeping me in the loop, and I appreciate that. I'm currently getting the text notification thing worked out. But you guys, peep this, and y'all probably missed this because I almost did too. So Mel posted on her website maybe about 2 weeks ago, and it says, new product alert. We've had a busy month, and we're thrilled to share our latest updates and news with you. It reads, after working on some big enhancements, we're delighted to announce a major milestone coming up soon. Stay tuned. Additionally, we're eager to unveil new offerings for the upcoming season that will be available in stores and online. Yeah, ho. That's what it say. It say in stores and online, y'all. Meaning when Mel sat down at that business table with her team, everything that they were talking about was probably already in the works. It also says we won't reveal too much, but rest assured, we're as excited as you are about these additions. Keep an eye out for an email next week with further details. Lastly, we appreciate your ongoing support and look forward to serving you even better. Use code FALLIN at checkout for free shipping. So this was around the time that this first launched. Let me go check my email, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I checked my email. She did send out another email around November the 5th, and it was just updating us on the new arrivals and the gifts and bundles, etc. Y'all get in the comments and let me know if you guys got another email, because I'm under the impression that she is not going to announce anything pertaining to her stuff being into stores at this moment. I feel like when she said that they would reach reach back out or email us to update us. It was more so about the products that she was promoting in that email. So I'm excited, right? I'm excited in a mug, okay? I don't know when this is going to launch, but me just being me, I want to do some guessing, right? And I'm going to have to say maybe after the reunion. Okay, wouldn't that be big to launch that she's going to be in stores after the reunion, before the reunion, during the reunion? I don't know. Like I said, anything that I say, Mel probably not going to take my word for it, because the people probably trying to counter her by thinking that she gonna do anything that we seeing over here because we're her fans, when really Mel just be doing what the hell she want to do, and we just be like, okay, yeah, we like that. But we're not gonna talk about no haters in this video. I am merely excited. Y'all get in the comments, let me know if you guys got your fall bundles. I am gonna be real with y'all, I have not ordered mine yet, and mainly because I got bills. But I am going to order mine. I'm finna order mine like in the next 2 days or so. And when I order mine, because I feel like this might be a limited edition thing, I am going to go ahead and probably get 2 or 3 of the bundles just in case. And then I might double back during Christmas and get another 2 or 3 bundles if I like it that much. But I'm going back for the lemon drop for sure, because y'all know my man is just out of control. He loves the lotion. I use the lemon drop a lot, but lately I've switched back to my watermelon and mango scrub because I've been using the lemon drop a lot. Mind you, I was in the shower the other day using my lemon drop body scrub, y'all, and why did I drop the damn scrub in the shower? Now, I preserved most of my product, but you know how a little bit of it still came out, and it's just when you dealing with good skincare and expensive products, body washes and stuff like that, you turn into Julius when you start scrubbing them and dropping pieces of them start falling into the tub and you don't even get to use it. It's like, man, that was 50 cents worth of product. But anywho, I'm rambling. Y'all check out the clips that Mel posted on her business page. Get in the comments. Let me know what you think about all of this. Are you guys excited? Have you guys heard that Mel would be putting these products in stores? I don't know what to think of this, but I'm excited. Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload.
Forward to everything we have in store for 2023.
We have a lot planned this year.
Let's talk about it. I'm ready.
So we released 7th Avenue Beauty finally in February, and in just a few short months, we've already hit $1 million in sales.
Me and Dawn been shopping around the movie. I want you to be the lead of that.
From January to June, you'll be able to come and speak to more high school students about opening their own business.
You did New York Fashion Week. I want you to start doing other fashion weeks. I've called my contacts in Dubai, and I've also called my contacts in Luxembourg and Milan. I am going to be pushing you into the international market.
Whenever you are on mission and on purpose, I feel that there are people God put in your life to help you on that mission and that purpose. And when I look at my team and I see these beautiful Black successful people in their own right who have agreed to help me reach my dreams, my goals, and to work on my purpose, I'm just thankful.
Bye, darling. Oh my gosh. So Mel, you should be proud of yourself. Let's go. That's just our little 3-month thing. So we'll do something else in the spring. Okay. When you move, I move, and vice versa.
That's it.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't
Purpose
replace.
is not in the kids of anybody.
That's why I'm mine. I spend my life